Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm back again with a very good opportunity, and this is being offered by IBM. So if you don't know by now, IBM is organizing one of the biggest hackathons right now. And as you already know, we've discussed on this channel, hackathons are extremely important, and I always recommend you guys to take part in hackathons, especially the hackathons that are company backed. Because whenever you take part in a hackathon, you get real world experience, you get hands-on experience, and you get a certificate from that company. So here IBM will be giving you a certificate, they'll be giving you badges that you can add to your portfolio, that is going to add value to your resume, right? So for sure, this is something that I highly recommend all of you guys to take part in. Let's understand what exactly this is about, how you can take part, and how you can maximize the chances of winning this. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end. Alright, so as you can see, IBM Z Datathon powered by IBM, October 17 to 18, 2026. 50,000 plus dollars in cash prizes. This is not 50,000 plus INR, it's 50,000 plus dollars in cash prizes. Free opportunity for college students. So again, it is not paid, it is free. Registration is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay a single dime for this. Okay, so IBM Z Datathon 2026, one of the world's largest enterprise computing datathon, is back. IBM Z Datathon 2026, a global 24-hour hybrid hackathon built internationally for college students who want to build real scalable system solution on enterprise grade IBM Z architecture. So it's not like a college hackathon, it's not like a simple hackathon, it's a proper international hackathon that you can take part in. Okay, so as you can see, price pool 50,000 plus dollars, which is obviously a lot. Event dates are going to be 17 to 18 October. Deadline is 1st of October, but try to apply to it as soon as possible, because otherwise you may end up forgetting, and I want you to have ample amount of time for fixing a team, for understanding everything, and being fully prepared. So the sooner you register for these things, the better your chances are going to be. Format is global. Okay, so participants will build solutions that run on IBM Z/Linux one of the world's most secure, scalable, and powerful computing platforms, and present them to a panel of industry experts and IBM leaders. Okay, so the themes of the Datathon: real-time AI for critical decisions, AI secured innovation without exposure, and wildcard beyond the obvious. Okay, why participate? Credentials that matter. So you'll be getting IBM digital badges, you'll be getting industry recognized certification to fast track your profile validation. So you are getting a certificate that is going to have value. You're getting digital badges that you can add to your LinkedIn, you can add to your portfolio. And of course, you already saw that you have a huge cash prize pool, and you have a good networking space, because you will be talking with IBM leaders, you will be networking. And this is another reason why hackathons are so important, because you get to network with a lot of people, you get to make good connections with leaders, with tech leaders, with global leaders, and that itself is extremely valuable. Okay, and you'll have enterprise computing exposure. Obviously, you'll have exposure to IBM Z systems and pitch executive leadership. So you'll be able to pitch your functional software to the industry leaders, and that, of course, will give you a lot of exposure and will give you a lot of value and knowledge. Who can participate? So the eligibility criteria: open to current undergrad or grad students, cohort registered across any institution globally, and it has global access. Complete integration paths open for developers participating remoting from any time zone globally. You have 8 physical node hub, and you have free registration gates. Okay, so you register and then you attend IBM Z's system readiness on October 16. Then you participate in the Datathon, and 28 October is the win announcement, and then you attend IBM C Day on November 18th. Okay, so registrations are open right now, as you can see. And then you'll be having all of these things. Okay, so already a lot of people registered for the 2025 Datathon. As you can see, 15,500 people registered, 44 countries were covered, and there were 5 in-person venues. Okay, so definitely it is something that I highly recommend all of you guys to take part in. This is the 2025 details that they've given. Okay, so all of you guys go ahead and register for this as soon as possible. And if you want to know more about how to win hackathons, or if you're a bit scared of hackathons, because I understand hackathon is something which is out of comfort zone for a lot of people. For a lot of us, hackathon is something new, and it may be scary initially. I have made a very good podcast on winning hackathons with someone who has won 10 plus hackathons, right? So I've made a video with that person. I'll give a link to that in the description box. Go watch that podcast. That podcast covers everything that you need to know on winning hackathons from a hackathon winner who has consecutively won more than 10 hackathons. Okay, so go and watch that video. You'll understand everything about hackathons. Give some time, understand everything, do the preparation, make a proper team, and then go ahead and apply for this. Okay, so link I'll give in the description box. You can see you have all of these things. Okay, so you can pretty much go ahead and register for this. Okay, so you can go ahead, register for this. Link is in the description box. And if you need any help with your resume, you need any help with your placement preparation, you need help with your job hunting or anything else, then feel free to connect one-to-one with me. The link for that will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you guys in the next one.